Hey Tigers, and welcome to groups 1 and 2. And today we are going to do our advanced reading deck, which is our letter cards, and our initial reading deck, keyword and sound cards. So the first video that you watched was only Kit 1. This includes your Kit 1 and Kit 2 cards that you've learned so far. I will pause 2 seconds after each card so we can get these through, and I will repeat them, which I typically do not do in class, but I will just to make sure that you have named the correct letter and keyword and sound today. Make sure you are in listening learning position. This is really important to keep your focus and that you are doing this review. So, both feet on the floor, facing forward, eyes here. Let's begin. Our advanced reading deck, name the letter. C, A, R, Y, K, digraph OO, X, F, N, digraph NG, J, combination QU, M, E, V, I, capital I, digraph CK, digraph TH, W, P, Z, T, O, B, D, L, S, H, U, G. Good job. Initial reading deck, keyword and sound. Remember, on the letters that have the schwa, the keep your chin up and do not drop it to make the sound. Ready? Keyword and sound. Rabbit, queen, sock, nose, z, zipper, z, umbrella, dog, d, Valentine, v, table, t, mitten, m, house, h, leaf, o, pig, p, apple, a, book, moon, oo, fish, wagon, bat, b, thimble, mother, v, elephant, e, jam, j, kite, k, cup, k, truck, k, goat, g, Octopus, ah. Yarn, y. Igloo, eh. Nest, n. King, ng. Sink, ng. Box, x. Good job.